If you've ever wanted to message someone directly on Telegram, but all you know is that they're a member of a particular group, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to DM any user from a group, effortlessly and without needing their phone number. Let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First, start by opening the group chat. On Telegram, you'll need to navigate to the group where your intended contact is a member. So find that group in your chat list. Maybe it's a professional community, a hobby group, or even a study forum. Tap to open the chat window. This is important because Telegram only lets you view and connect with members if you're inside the actual group conversation. Just make sure you're not confusing this with a channel, which works a bit differently. Groups allow member interactions, while channels are more for announcements. Next up, we need to access the member list ***, and this is super easy. Look to the very top of your screen where the group's name and icon appear. Tap right on that group name. It's almost like opening the group's business card. Here you'll find details about the group and, more importantly, a full list of all the folks who are part of it. This might take just a second to load if you're in a larger group, so don't worry if it feels like a small pause. Seeing this list is essential because Telegram keeps member privacy fairly tight, and this is your window to reach out. Once you're viewing the members, it's time to select the user you want to contact. You'll need to scroll through the list, which can feel a bit like finding a friend at a crowded party. Look for their display name or username. Those are usually listed along with profile pictures to make things easier. If the list is super long, some Telegram versions let you search or filter, but even if you're scrolling old school, just take your time. Remember, you want to be certain you've picked the right person, especially if there are several people with similar names. Tap directly on their name to open up their profile page. Now comes the key part. Starting a private chat ***. On the user's profile page, you'll spot either a small message icon or a button that says Message. Tap on that. By doing so, you're opening a brand new private conversation with that user, just the two of you, separate from the group. This is perfect for sending a more personal note, sharing information, or asking a follow-up question without broadcasting to the entire group. If you're worried whether the user will get your message, rest assured, Telegram delivers these DMs like any normal chat, and usually the person gets a notification. To finish, go ahead and send your message ***. You'll see a familiar text field at the bottom, just like any other chat on Telegram. Type out what you want to say, maybe introduce yourself and mention the group, so your message doesn't feel random. Hit send and you're done. Don't fret if you don't hear back immediately. Sometimes people keep their Telegram notifications muted or don't check often, and that's really all there is to it. With these steps, you can discreetly and privately DM any group member, no phone numbers, no awkward introductions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop any questions for me in the comments below. Happy chatting!